The shipyard carries out an inclining experiment to obtain accurately the vertical height of the center of gravity above the keel kg. A plumb line is suspended on the center line from a hatch coaming and allowed to move over a horizontal bed in the lower hold when a known weight W is shifted at its edges. The length of the plumb line is L and the distance the plumb line is deflected is x. The Gm is then subtracted from the Km calculated for the draft at the time of the experiment, and thus the line kg obtained. Once the kg has been obtained, that can easily be adjusted in the usual way for any changes of weight on board. Lightship kg is provided on board along with a statement setting up clearly the items on board for that position of G. It is usually stated for the ship equipped ready for sea with water in boilers but no bunkers, fresh or feed water, stores coolant effects. For the experiment to be reliable, you will have to ensure that there is no wind. If there is wind, the ship should be head to wind. There is sufficient slack in the mooring and the ship is clear of the quay so that it can list freely. The draft and density forward, aft and amidships are carefully noted so that W and Km can be accurately determined. The ship is upright at the beginning of the experiment. Only people directly concerned with the test should be on board. When the weights are shifted, the people on board should stand on the center line. The amount of weight shifted should result in ship listing to about 4 degrees. There is no free surface of liquid in the ship. Boilers and tanks are either full or empty. Bilges are dry. There are no loose weights on board.